Crunchyroll is a popular streaming platform for anime and Asian content known for its vast library and dedicated fan base. However, like any online service, users may encounter occasional technical issues. One such problem that some Crunchyroll users have faced is the error code p-27. The error code p-27 typically occurs when there is an issue with the streaming server or the network connection. It may manifest as a blank screen, freezing video, or an error message. This error code indicates that the video playback cannot start due to a problem with the content's delivery. To troubleshoot the p-27 error, users can try several steps. First, they can check their internet connection to ensure it is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. A slow or unstable connection can hinder the streaming experience and trigger playback errors. Clearing the cache and cookies of the web browser or switching to a different browser may also resolve the issue. Additionally, disabling any ad blockers or VPN services temporarily could help identify if they are causing conflicts. If the error persists, it is recommended to visit the Crunchyroll Help Center or reach out to their customer support for further assistance. The support team can provide several troubleshooting steps based on the user's device, browser, and other relevant information. Overall, encountering the Crunchyroll error code p-27 can be frustrating for users seeking uninterrupted streaming. However, by following the suggested troubleshooting steps and seeking support when needed, users can resolve the issue and continue enjoying their favorite anime and Asian content on the platform.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.